tutorials. I'm going to show you about instrument tracks. Instrument tracks are used to control software synthesizers. And to really be able to use this correctly, what you'll need is a keyboard that's MIDI, which almost all of them are nowadays, or a MIDI controller, which looks like a keyboard but it doesn't have any sounds in it. And you need a MIDI cable. You run your MIDI cable, MIDI out from your keyboard to MIDI in on your interface, like your MBox or whatever you're using to get sound in and out of your computer. So, if we go up here to where it says track and click new, and we want one stereo instrument track. Click create, and there's our track. Now I go up here to inserts and I look for my plugins where it says instruments, and you have these two. For this example, I'll just use expand. And that loads, and this is what it looks like. Now when I play my keyboard, I'm going to get the sounds from expand. Okay. Now see where it says factory defaults here? If I click on this little arrow, I'll get all these other sounds that are in the software synthesizer. So if I went over here to say pianos, let's try electric piano pad. Now this is the sound we'd get. So as you can see, that's an awful lot of sounds that are included in this thing. Every one of these, I mean, it's hundreds of sounds. Let's just record something just so I can show you how that'll work. If I arm our instrument track, hit record on my transport and play. Okay, and that's what we got. Now that doesn't look anything like a WAV file. That's because it's not. It's a MIDI file. If we play it back, it's going to sound just like the instrument that we used. This file is going to tell that software synthesizer to play those notes no matter what instrument we use. So if we go back to expand here, and let's try something else. Let's go to organs, and here's a jazz organ. Let's play that. Now watch when we play it back what happens. No matter what you pick, it's going to play those notes. So later on, as you're building your track or you're mixing or whatever you're doing and you decide you don't like that keyboard sound, you can always change it. It doesn't even have to be the same plugin. You can use any instrument plugin and pick a sound and it'll play it for you. Check out the other tutorials for MIDI editing and other uses of MIDI and instrument tracks. Thanks for watching. Like Blue Heron Recording on Facebook and check out beatsplayground.com.